James Wise here. We're doing another question in the Ask James Wise series. Today's question comes from Fernando Enrile. Question comes from Today's question comes from Fernando. Relay, is that it? And relay. Today's question comes from Fernando Enrile. Nice video, James. Thanks for providing your input and my question on biggerpockets.com. Real quick, just so you guys know, if you're not familiar with Bigger Pockets, it's essentially a social network for real estate investors. I spend a lot of my time there writing and providing real estate content. My Tenants from Hell blog can be found on that website. I wrote the ultimate guide for grading Cleveland neighborhoods for my blog on that website. So it's been a website that's really helped my real estate career, so if you haven't heard of that, you should probably check it out. Those guys over there, they're running a pretty good business. Back to Fernando's question. My question is about Indy Turnkey properties. Is it feasible to make $500 a month on a turnkey rental and still have some appreciation? The property should be in an A or B area. Given these factors, I'm assuming he meant given these factors, how much of the property that are we looking at here, i.e. 90 to 100K? I assume he means how much of the properties that we're looking at here are they going to be about 90 to 100K? Also, do you have any referral turnkey providers? I hold a full-time gig, so I can't make this my full-time job, but I am doing my homework, due diligence, as I don't want to get screwed by malicious folks. Your input is much appreciated. He went on to leave another comment saying, also, I'm planning to finance it with 20% down. Thanks. Let's dive in. All right, Fernando, several things here. Well, first off, is it feasible to make $500 a month on a turnkey rental property while you're putting 20% down? No. No, it's not. That's not going to happen, dude. That is pie in the sky. Don't even think about that. If you could make between $50 and $100 a door per month, you're doing good, okay? You got to understand, real estate investment is great, but it is not this just magical get rich immediately business, okay? It takes a long time. There's a lot of costs you need to factor into your rental properties. I put out a video called Analyzing the Numbers. Check that out, right? You have your rent, and then you have fixed expenses and variable expenses. All those variable expenses are going to amount to a pretty large chunk of your money. Then after you pay the principal and interest, you're really only going to be left over with $50 to $100 a month. This is a business about scale and about utilizing other people's money, i.e. the bank, to pay off those mortgages. So, no, you're not going to make anywhere near $500 a month, but that's okay because that's not really the name of the game. Your question was specifically about the Indy market. While I do not specifically work in the Indy market, nor do I have any referrals to turnkey providers out there, I run HoltonWise, which provides the turnkey service to investors nationwide. And the thing with markets like Cleveland, Indy, Memphis, they're all very, very similar. They're all the popular turnkey markets because they're so similar. All these Rust Belt states, we all have pretty much the same product. So can I produce this for you in Indy or help you buy an Indy? No. But if you want to click the link above or below, HoltonWise can help folks just like you invest in the Cleveland market. We were actually named the best rental market in the country by Realtor.com. I did an interview with those folks. We'll link to that in the description below, possibly above me. As far as the price points, you're talking about 90 to 100K. You don't have to spend that much in the Cleveland market. You can get yourself into a pretty solid B-class property in the $60,000 to $70,000 range. And that property is going to be a single-family home that's going to rent for between $900 and $1,000 a month. Nice, solid suburban rental properties. If you're looking for multifamily, you know, the entry level, you can get in a nice C to B class duplex for roughly $80,000 to $120,000. It's going to rent anywhere from $1,100 to $1,600. Or if you want to go with a little bit higher risk, higher reward, you can go in the D-class areas. Right now you can get into those areas for under $50,000, achieve rent well above $1,100 a month. However, there's additional risks when you're in D-class, So please check out the thing I mentioned earlier, The Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. It will show you the different types of neighborhoods we have out here, along with the risks that come with investing in those neighborhoods. All right, Fernando, I hope that answers your question. For the rest of you that have questions, please check out the Ask James Wise video. Check out all the content we've put out there. If you have a question that you see that's not already answered, drop that question in the comments using the hashtag AskJamesWise, and we'll produce a video just like this one for you answering your question, and that is 100% free of charge. Do not forget to pound the like button, share this with your friends, anybody interested in investing in real estate. Holton Wise is the #1 seller of investment real estate in the greater Cleveland area. If you want to sign up to our mailing list, go ahead and click the link above me or below me. I'm James Wise. If you want to find out more about my personal life story as an investor, broker, entrepreneur, you could do so by following my Instagram at JamesWiseHWPG. As always, James Wise, Holton Wise, real estate investing made easy.